Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's topic, what we are going to see is group by date. Why I'm saying group by date? Because this is not just one thing what I'm going to tell you. It's a multiple thing in date queries. I am just telling you how you can use group by in date functions. Okay. So in that case, what I will try to use the database is is retail db2. Okay, I think this is one of the best database for exploring the things. Okay, just multiple group by. Before multiple group by, use of where in group by. Okay, there will be few more classes in group by. Okay, so be prepared for that. So retail db2 is my database what I'm going to use. Okay, so just let me select retail data db2 dot orders dot orders table. Okay, orders table. So you will see you have order id, that is basically the order number. Suppose you are going to a restaurant and you are sitting on a table, your family is sitting on a table and you are ordering something, then your order number will be your order id. Okay, on which date you are having dinner with your dinner or lunch or breakfast, anything in the restaurant, is the order date. Order customer id means the one who is ordering. Okay, who is making order, that is the person. And order status, what is the current order status? Either it is preparing or pending or close or processing, like that. Okay, so order order tables, what my requirement is, my requirement is my requirement is my first requirement. Okay, my first requirement is to take out total order count, total order count for each day for each day. Okay, that's it. Okay, where will be the next use of where in group by will be the next. Okay, so before length I will teach you use of group by before length. Okay, so my first requirement is take out each order count for each day. So what should I do here? Means it's a simple case of data statement, grouping the dates. Okay, so what you will do, you will count the order number, order id by date. How you will proceed? Proceeding statement is will be step 1. Step 1 will be count the order id. Okay, and step 2, by which the answer is within your question. You have to total order count, means count the order id, just rearrange it. Okay, just you need to just proceed for the problem solving approach. Okay, so break it into steps. Before writing query, just break it into steps. The first step will be count the order id, as per your question suggests. Take out the total order count. So what did you do here? Count the order id, just rearrange the things. And now the second part for each day. Okay, means you are grouping the order count into date. Okay, so just group by date and your query is ready. Okay, and so now let's implement it. select count. What you are counting basically? Order ID. Okay, order ID you are counting. Okay, total number of orders each day. Okay, order ID from retail db2 dot orders group by order date, and that's it. Okay, but that this doesn't mean something. Okay, 143 to 69, what does it mean? Suppose I'm finding 187, or what was 187 count, but for which date it was the count? So I need to mention order date here as well. So just pass order date, and now count order ID as ord date count. Okay, like that. And you can see on 25th of July 2013 it was 143 count, like that. Okay, fine. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now suppose I want the highest order count on a specific date. What would you do? Highest order count,
Maximum.
max of order count. Let's see if it works or not. Just do it. It will not work, right? Because you are applying a function over a function. Okay, so it's a invalid use of group function. So what will you do? I will give you a trick how it works. How it works. First, let me copy paste it. Then I will show you. My second requirement is take out take out max. Take out the date. Take out the day when where max orders were placed. Okay, max order placed by using above question. Above question. Okay, so you have already prepared your query. Okay, you just need to find the max among this. Okay, just you have already prepared the query. Okay, you need to find the max. Okay, so as per your detail, you can see 347 is the max. Okay, okay, I can see it's a 3rd of November 2013 is the date when you are having most number of orders placed in your restaurant. Okay, okay, so what will you do here? What you are going to do here? What will be your approach here? So it's a very simple. I have already told you. If you are not recalling it, I have told you about order by and limit clause. Okay, I've already given you example. Just go and watch my video of order by and limit. Okay, so just you can pass the argument order by what? Order by what? Okay, order by what?
Ascending order.
No, order by which one? Which one ascending? What you need to order?
Date, sir.
No. Why did I
Order date count column. Order date count column.
order date count column? Okay, this one, because you are finding the maximum order count, right? So
Yes, sir.
order by this one. Okay, but not in ascending order, because you are going to find the max. Okay, so just pass DESC. Okay, so you will see the top order will be the at the first. Okay, this will be at the first. Okay, did you get this? Did you get
Yes,
this?
sir.
Did you get this?
Yes,
It's a
sir.
simple thing. I've already gone through the classes of order by. If you are not recalling this, just go and watch again. Okay, so you will get more clarity about this. Okay, how DESC works, how order by works. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
now, but you need to find only the max. Rest are useless, right? Rest are useless. You need to find the highest order, on which date highest order was placed. Okay, highest orders were placed. Highest or max order were placed. That is the, anyway the same thing. So, did you remember the limit clause?
Yes, sir.
Limit clause. Limit clause restricts your query to a certain amount of rows. So I just want only one row. Then what will I do? I will pass limit 1, and that's it. And that's it. Your highest order is on list. Okay, so simple. So why I am telling you this? See, why I am telling you this? The question is why I am telling you this approach, because this approach is is the data analysis approach. Okay, because suppose you are working in a retail database project. Okay, retail DB project. Okay, suppose you are working in Coca-Cola, or you are working in Walmart, you are working in Amazon. Okay, you are working for these type of projects. These are obviously retail DB projects. Okay, you are working for Reliance Mart. Okay, so these all are retail DB projects. Okay, retail projects. So these type of query you need to handle. So they would like to know that on which day my sales was maximum. Through that, they can analyze and they can promote their products. As simple as that. Okay, so this is what I told you right now is a frame, is a problem statement what I have suffered within my retail DB projects. Okay, this was a challenge to me when I was in Coca-Cola project. Okay, so this type of query I used to run. That is why I'm telling you this is a complete project perspective course. Okay, I will tell you only I will tell you I'm trying to teach you regarding project perspectives. Okay, so just keep that in mind, just try to observe. Okay, so one more query I will like to tell you. I, as a customer, I would like to know in which year my sale was maximum, my sale was more, either in 2013 or 2014. I have only 2 years of data, right? Just you can see, select distinct year, order date, order date from retail db2 dot orders. You can see only 2 years data is there. Okay, only 2 years data is there, 2013 and 2014. Okay, so you would like to know for which year your sale was more, either in 2016 or in 2014, so that you can conclude that you are making progress by each year. Suppose you are the company owner, and in 2013 sale was more, and in 2014 sale was less, so you are going in loss, right? So you need to analyze something na, that previous year my sale was good, and in current year my sale is not good. Okay, so I need to implement blah 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 changes. Okay, okay, did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what would you do? My third requirement is find out the year with sale count, with order count, order count, uh, which year sale was maximum, sale was sale was maximum. Okay, okay, so this is also a simple query. You don't need to go here and there. Okay, use just this query. Okay, okay, what would you do? You will group by year. Okay. How will you group by year? How will you group by year? You know, just to year function. I have already teach you about this. The date function, I have already teach you about this. Okay. Date function. Remember, date function. If you're not recalling this, go on my channel and just go to the playlist and go in SQL in English class, and you will see. Oh, oops. Okay. Okay. Just go by data engineering with Satyam, and here data engineering with Satyam playlist, and now you will see full playlist, and here you will see here date queries part 1. Okay, date queries part 1, class number 29. So just go and revise it again. Okay, so in this case you will do like this. Okay, order count. Okay, order count. And suppose I don't want this one, I just want year wise count. Okay, I want year wise count. Okay, so here I will get year wise count. Okay, and now you can see year wise count. So you can see, find out year wise count of order. Just do that, year wise count of orders. Okay, so what your task is, task, did you get this, by the way? Did you get this? Did you get this? Hello, did you get this? Anyways, the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.